In today's video, I'll teach you how to update address on Remitly account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in remitly.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Remitly. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home page. So what you have to do is simply click on this option, welcome, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option settings. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure profile information is selected. Now you'll be able to see all of your profile informations over here. At second, you'll be able to see your address. So if you want to update the address, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, edit, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to edit your address. You'll be able to see the fields like street address, apartment, suite or unit, city, state and zip code. So what you have to do is simply click on the field that you would like to edit. If you want to update your whole address, simply click on this option, street address. Now it is the initial street address. Now enter the new street address over here. Also, you can edit the city, state and zip code. After you change all the informations, click on this option, save, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your address will be updated. So like this, you'll be able to update your address. So that is how you update address on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.